Hey everybody, I have had the opportunity to pick up a new Keurig. The model is called K Elite and it's in brushed slate. Now, we had several Keurigs over the years. The Keurig we have right now is this exact one, same model. Wouldn't have bought it other than the fact that the Prime deal was too good on it. So let's check it out. If you haven't had a K Elite before, it's really quite something. It's probably like the coffee makers of all coffee makers. Yeah, we do Keurig every day. We use the pods. We usually buy the pods in bulk, and we try to get them on sale. Hopefully this has come through unscathed and in immaculate condition, and I'm sure it has. So typically what's in the box is you'll get some directions on how to use it, which we don't need. This is a tube that goes down inside the coffee maker for a filter, a water filter. And there's a water filter in the bag right in there for it. So let's open this bad boy up. Take some packing out, and we'll give you the ultimate reveal here. Alrighty. You saw the stuff in the back one I haven't gotten to yet. So interesting that they give you this little thing on the plug. They make you take it off before you plug it in. I'm not sure why, maybe so you know it's new and it's never been used before, but I can't answer that because I don't know. Take the tie wrap off of the cord. We found this to be like the best coffee maker we've ever had. We've got some little tape strips on here. We'll take these off of here. Just a little prep maintenance. How's your summer going so far? Let me know. Hopefully you're having a great summer. I know we are. And this was the water tube and filter that I mentioned. There's your water tube and there's your filter in there. We typically change these probably every couple of months, every 90 days or something like that. All right, we got some tape to take off of the base. I'll show you how this goes. This side lifts off of here. It's taped down for now for shipping. Take some more tape off here. More tape. I'd like to be the person that puts all the tape on these things. Another piece of tape down here. That's all the tape off of it. So on this just slides in and out of here. Just slides right in the bottom. You can use this to put a taller cup, taller mug. Take this off. But yeah, funny story. Now this comes off for cleaning, and this is like a reservoir under here. Now, I don't know if you've ever made a cup of coffee before and forgot to put the pod in, right? And the pod goes up here, and you're making coffee, and then you go to get your coffee cup and you realize it's not there. Well, that coffee has gone down in here, and this holds the largest setting of coffee that you can make. And this will fill up and it will not overflow on your countertop. So I think it's a good little feature. Ask me how I know, because I've done it a couple of times, that's why. But I'm kind of glad to get this one in service. There's absolutely nothing wrong with our other one. So I'm gonna take the top of this off. And this is the filter. You actually pinch these two things in and pull the bottom of this out like that, all right? Then this goes in here, and then this goes in here again, and you just pop it back up in place, just like that. And now that filter is in there. And then this comes down and sits right at the bottom down here, all right? And I'll put it in first before we fill water up in it. And that's it, just snaps right into place. All put together, ready to go on the countertop. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and go buy yourself one. There's a link right below. I know you'll enjoy it. Thank you so much.